Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Prithviraj English Academy. As we are doing the question answers of 6th standards SST, in the SST we are doing the Geography, revised syllabus of 2024, chapter number 10, Globe and Maps. So let's start the question answers of this lesson. Exercises. First one, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the Earth model is called as dash. Answer for it, globe. Then move to the second one. A book prepared by combining different types of map is called atlas or map book. Now move to the next one. Third one. The dash color is shown to identify the fields on the maps. Yellow. Fourth, the imaginary lines drawn on the earth are dash and dash, latitude and longitudes. Now move to the next. Second main. Answer the following questions in one sentence. So first one. Mention any two uses of a globe. Any two you can write. So I have written means I have mentioned all. You can mention any two uses of a globe. First in that, globe is useful to know the shape, satellite picture of the earth. It helps means globe helps us to understand the position, shape and size of the continents. Means it will going to help us to understand the position, shape and size of the continents, oceans and seas. The lines of the latitude and longitudes on the globe help us to locate places and political boundaries. Then move to the next. Last point of that. A good globe helps us to understand the inclination of the axis, movements of the earth, rotation, revolution and their effects. For example, day and night and seasons, etc. It goes on. So I have mentioned four uses of a globe. Among them you can write any two. Left to you. Any two you can write. Now move to the next. What is a map? Map means a diagrammatic representation of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface according to scale is called a map. Now move to the third. Which are the different types of maps? So there are mainly two types of maps are there. Mainly first one is maps based on a scale. In that further we are going to classify into two categories. One is large scale maps and small scale maps. Then move to the second types of maps based on purpose. So those are here we are going to the maps based on a purpose we are going to classify into three categories: physical maps, political maps and distribution maps. Now move to the next. Mention any two uses of map. Any two uses of maps. First one, maps help us to locate places like towns, cities, districts, states, countries and continents. They show the physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal areas, islands, etc. They help us to know the major routes of transportation such as road, railways, etc. They help us to understand the distribution of crops, minerals, industries, etc. So here also you have to write any two uses of the map. Okay, I have mentioned four. Then move to the next. Sorry, still it is there. Maps are very important for military people at the time of war and for security. Maps guided the tourists to their destination to reach their destination. Maps are very good teaching learning aids. They are easy to carry. Means they can easy to carry anywhere. So 7 points I have mentioned for the uses of maps. You can write any two in a examination if they ask, particularly two. Okay, then move to the fifth one. What is an atlas or map book? Map book means what? The collection of various types of maps. Collection of various mean different types of maps bound as a book is known as an atlas or map book. Now move to the next. What is a scale? On the map we are going to mention the scale, that is called what it means. A scale is a ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. Now move to the next. What are the geographical symbols? Means particular symbols will be there on maps. Those are going to call it as geographical symbols. Geographical symbol is a sign that stands for an object and are used widely in maps to give information. Now move to the eighth one, eighth question. Which are the major components of a map? Components of a maps are totally five components are there. Yeah, parts are there of a map. Actually, these are very essential. Those are first one will be title, like it is Indian map, a world map. Yeah, it may be a Karnataka map, it may be the Belgavi map, or it may be the village map. Means particularly one title should be there. One scale means means one is equal to means one into one centimeter means this much. The square means we are going to write like that. That scale. Latitude and longitudes, horizontal and vertical lines. Direction, south, north, east, west, southeast, northwest, the directions. Index are key means for example you have to write over there means for example if supposing that plus sign will be there and that will be going to indicate the it means nearby hospital is there like that it is. So such index yeah key will be provided. So these are the components of a map. So by this one we have completed the question answer of this lesson. So at last I am going to say that thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, anything it may be related to this lesson, so you can without hesitate you can comment and you can ask, and don't forget to like. If you come to know this video is worthful for you, then comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because you will if you are going to subscribe the channel, then you will get the latest update of mine. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video among your friends. Thank you, my dears.